Hey, this is 670 Neil checking in. I know I haven't been around for a while, but yeah, this is the new New Hampshire State Liquor Store, Welcome Center. Let's just walk in. The store's closed. We're till midnights now. But there's Sailor Jerry's truck. That's up for raffle. For all the sailors out there. We might as well just lock all this stuff up. Look at that baby. Could be yours. Oh, there we go. Shut the door. Give you an idea of the my mayhem in my world. Let's hey, here's a dolly. Let's take the dolly. POV dolly. Whoa! But this is all our vodkas, this whole wall here. This is bourbons. Bourbons. Got more bourbon. More vodka. Some rums. Over there, huh? Some Canadian whiskeys. Liquor. Liquor me. Now it's like, okay, now we make a little turn here. We're in gin. All our gins. Some more displays. Some scotches. Oh, I got a low battery. Let's go through here. Yeah, but this is what I've been up to. Keeping busy, big time. Gotta keep this place stocked. Haven't even seen the warehouse yet. I swear this is like the biggest liquor store known to man. Our lockup area. This is where we have our nice little, like you can get yourself a nice bottle of Macallan right there. It's only $4,999. Could be yours. This is the warehouse. It's the mayhem of my world. I hope you enjoyed my little tour. God bless you guys.